Hi guys! If you love cheesecake but you don't feel like turning on the oven, I got you. Let's make this no-bake strawberry cheesecake together. It has a thick cookie crust and lots of strawberries. And if I say a lot, I mean a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. For the crust, crush up oat cookies, or you could use graham crackers. Then let's add in melted butter and mix it until smooth. I like to use a food processor, but this works just as well with a Ziploc bag and rolling pin. When it's all combined, let's bring in a springform pan. I like to line the pan with parchment paper on the bottom. Then let's fill in the crust. You can use a glass or anything with a flat surface to press it down. I like to use a 9-inch pan and I already greased it. When it is all compact in one even layer, put it in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Let's make the strawberry filling. For that we need to make a strawberry sauce. I prefer to use a food processor, so just fill in the strawberries and pulse them for a few seconds. When it's all smooth, I'm gonna fill it into a saucepan and set it up at medium heat. Add agar-agar powder and make sure to heat it for at least 10 minutes. Agar-agar has to boil for at least 2 minutes to start gelling. Then set it aside. Now let's make the cheesecake batter. For that, mix cream cheese until smooth. It is best if it is at room temperature. And mix it for at least 4 minutes. You can add vanilla anytime. Then let's mix in powdered sugar little by little until combined. When it is all smooth, add heavy cream. First add a little bit to combine it without getting lumps. Then add the rest and also some whipping cream stabilizer. Mix it until it's half whipped. Then let's bring in the gelatin strawberry mixture that we just made and mix it in slowly until it's all smooth. You have to work quite fast because the agar-agar mixture sets quickly when it starts getting cold. Then set it aside and bring in the crust. Cover the whole outside of the cake with strawberry halves. Make sure to press them against the cake color so that you're gonna see them in the finished cake. I like to prepare that before making the cheesecake filling so it's all ready to go. Now let's bring in the strawberry cheesecake mixture. I like to use a spatula and press it down gently so it gets in between the strawberries. Another tip is to bang the springform pan a few times against the counter to help the filling sink. Then smooth out the top and refrigerate it for a few hours or overnight. When the cake is fully chilled, put it on a serving plate and remove the cake color carefully. Look how beautiful the strawberries look. Now let's decorate it with some whipped cream swirls that we put aside earlier. And some more strawberries if you wish. And that's it. This is my no-bake strawberry cheesecake with at least 2 pounds of fresh strawberries. It is the perfect summer cake if you ask me. Easy to make ahead and everybody loves it. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Happy baking! Bye!